Hello everyone, I'm here with new topic. Our topic is infrared spectroscopy. Under this topic, we discuss about characteristics, vibrational frequencies of alkenes, and aromatic compound. First, we discuss about alkane. Alkane are those the spectra of simple alkane are characterized by absorptions due to carbon hydrogen stretching and bending. The carbon-carbon stretching and bending are either too weak or too low frequency to be detected in IR spectroscopy. In simple alkanes, which have very few bands, each band in the spectrum can be assigned carbon-hydrogen stretch from 3000 to 2850 centimeter inverse, and carbon-hydrogen band on or scissoring from 1470 to 1450 centimeter inverse, and carbon hydrogen rock methyl from 13 to 1317 to 1350 centimeter inverse. Next we see functional group and their vibrations with their absorption frequency. Okay, so if we have functional group carbon hydrogen, that time vibration is stretching and absorption is 2850 to 3000, and intensity is very strong. And when we have functional group carbon hydrogen attached with another alkyl group, that time vibration is bending and absorption 1350 to 1480, and intensity is variable. For example, the IR spectrum of octane is shown below. The strong band in the 3000 to 2850 centimeter inverse region due to carbon hydrogen stretching vibration. So this is spectrum or IR graph of octane. In this, we see that carbon hydrogen stretching frequency is shown, and there is carbon hydrogen scissoring and carbon hydrogen methyl rock, and this one for long chain methyl rock. Next we talk about alkenes. Besides the presence of carbon hydrogen bonds, alkenes also show sharp medium bands corresponding to the carbon double bond carbon stretching vibration at about 1600 to 1700 centimeter inverse. Some alkenes might also show a band for the double bond carbon hydrogen bond stretch appearing around 3080 centimeter inverse. Next we see some functional group of alkenes, vibrations and their absorption intensity. Uh, First functional group is this, and their vibration is stretching and absorption 3010 to 3100, and intensity is medium. And next functional group is this one, and their vibration is bending and absorption 675 to 1000, and intensity is very strong. Next functional group carbon double bond carbon, vibration is stretching and absorption 1620 to 1680, and intensity is variable. Next we see vibrational frequency of alkynes. Alkynes are compounds that have carbon triple bond carbon, and the carbon double bond carbon stretch appears as a weak bond from 2000 to 2260 to 2100 centimeter inverse. This can be an important diagnostic tool because very few organic compounds show an absorption in this region. A terminal alkyne but not an internal alkyne will show a carbon hydrogen stretch as a strong narrow band in the range 3330 to 3270 centimeter inverse. A terminal alkyne will show a carbon hydrogen bending vibrations in the region 700 to 610 centimeter inverse. Next we see some functional group of alkyne, and their vibration, absorption or intensity. So first functional group is this one, stretching. Vibration is stretching, and absorption 3000 to 3300, and intensity is very strong or sharp. Next functional group is this one, and for this vibration is stretching, and absorption 2100 to 2260, and their intensity is variable. Next we see vibrational frequency of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds have two characteristic stretches in infrared spectroscopy, 3000 to 3100 centimeter inverse for carbon hydrogen bonds, and 1415 to 1650 centimeter inverse for aromatic carbon carbon bond. In 1H NMR, aromatic proton usually appear between 6.5 to 8 parts per million. In 13 carbon NMR, aromatic carbon appear between 100 and 150 parts per million. Next we see some functional group of aromatic compound and their vibrational frequencies and their absorption and intensity. So first, the functional group is carbon hydrogen. Their stretching frequency is their vibrational frequency is stretching, and absorption 3000 to 3000 to 3100, and intensity is medium. And next functional group is this one, and vibration is stretching, and absorption from 1400 to 1600, and intensity also medium. This is also so multiple bands. Aromatic compounds also so multiple bands. So here we discuss about vibrational frequency of alkane, alkene, alkyne and aromatic compound. On next video we discuss about some vibrational frequencies of alcohols, ethers, phenols and amines. So more updates, please like, subscribe and share my channel.